In recent years, China has embarked on an ambitious plan to build a massive artificial island in the middle of the South China Sea. The so-called Ocean Flower Island is a significant tourist destination with hotels, restaurants, and shopping malls. The project is estimated to cost $25 billion and has already caused significant environmental damage to the surrounding coral reefs. Critics say that the island will only serve to further China's territorial claims in the disputed waters of the South China Sea. They worry that the artificial island will become a military stronghold capable of controlling access to vital shipping lanes. Only time will tell whether the Ocean Flower Island will be a force for good or ill in the South China Sea. What is Ocean Flower Island, and why was it built? China's Ocean Flower Island is artificial and was built for the purposes of research, recreation, and tourism. The island is located in the middle of the South China Sea. It comprises 3 main islands: Yongxing Island, Meiji Jiao, and Antelope Jiao. The total area of the island is approximately 0.26 square kilometers. The island was built using sand dredged from the seafloor and is held in place by an extensive system of steel piles. The primary purpose of the island is to serve as a base for scientific research on the ecology and conservation of the South China Sea. In addition, the island is also used as a tourist destination. It features several amenities, including a hotel, restaurants, and a golf course. How does the Ocean Flower Island benefit China and its people? China's Ocean Flower Island is a popular tourist destination that offers many benefits to China and its people. The island is located in the South China Sea and is home to several resorts, hotels, and restaurants. The island also has several beaches, which are popular with tourists and locals alike. In addition to its natural beauty, the island also provides several economic benefits. The tourism industry brings in billions of dollars annually, and the island's restaurants and hotels provide employment for thousands of people. The island also provides a valuable source of revenue for the Chinese government. In addition to its economic benefits, the island also plays a vital role in China's defense strategy. The island's location makes it an ideal base for the Chinese Navy, and the island's beaches provide a perfect landing spot for military aircraft. As a result, Ocean Flower Island offers several significant benefits to China and its people. What kind of flowers and plants are being grown on the island? The Ocean Flower Island in China is home to various flowers and plants. The most popular varieties include roses, tulips, lilies, and orchids. The island's climate is perfect for growing these and other delicate flowers, and the soil is rich in nutrients. As a result, Ocean Flower Island is a veritable paradise for plant lovers. In addition to its wide variety of flowers, the island is also home to several species of trees, shrubs, and vines. The island's lush vegetation provides a beautiful backdrop for the flowers, and the combination of plants creates a truly unique atmosphere. Ocean Flower Island is sure to please you if you're looking for a place to relax and enjoy the scenery, or searching for somewhere to find rare and exotic plants. A quick reminder before we continue on with our discussion on this topic. If you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload informative and educational videos. Let's continue. How will the island be maintained, and who will be in charge? The Ocean Flower Island is an artificial island located off the coast of China. The island is designed to be a self-sustaining ecosystem and will be home to various plant and animal life. The Chinese government has put forth a plan to maintain the island and appointed a team of scientists to oversee its development. The team will be responsible for monitoring the island's ecosystem and make sure that it remains balanced. In addition, they will be responsible for ensuring that the island's infrastructure is up to date and can support its inhabitants' needs. The team will also be responsible for educating the people who live on the island about how to care for the environment. The Chinese government is confident that Ocean Flower Island will succeed and is committed to ensuring its long-term viability. What are some of the criticisms against the Ocean Flower Island project? The China Ocean Flower Island project has been criticized for several reasons. One concern is that the artificial islands will damage the environment, harming delicate coral reefs and disrupting the natural flow of ocean currents. Additionally, there are worries that the islands could become a haven for illegal activities, such as smuggling and piracy. Moreover, some critics argue that the project is a waste of money and that China should focus on more pressing issues at home. Finally, there are concerns that the artificial islands could be used for military purposes, including regional tensions. Despite these criticisms, the China Ocean Flower Island project is still proceeding as planned. Only time will tell if these concerns prove to be justified. How will the ocean flower island impact the environment and marine life in the area? The most controversial aspect of this project is constructing an artificial island in the middle of a coral reef. The island, which is known as the China Ocean Flower Island, covers an area of nearly 400 acres. The China Ocean Flower Island has significantly impacted the area's environment and marine life. The island has destroyed nearly 40 acres of coral reef, which has had a devastating effect on the local ecosystem. Furthermore, the island's construction has caused significant water pollution and sedimentation. This has hurt the surrounding marine life, including fish, turtles, and dolphins. In addition, the artificial island is also causing problems for passing ships, interfering with their navigation systems. The China Ocean Flower Island significantly impacts the environment and marine life in the area. The Chinese government needs to take action to mitigate these effects and protect the local ecosystem. The potential risks associated with the Ocean Flower Island project. While the project has the potential to boost China's economy and increase its maritime security, it also poses several risks. First, there is a risk of environmental damage, as the construction of the islands will inevitably result in the destruction of coral reefs and other marine habitats. Second, there is a risk of heightened tensions with China's neighbors, as some see the project as an attempt to assert Chinese control over the disputed waters of the South China Sea. Finally, there is a risk that the project will not be completed on schedule, as it faces significant technical challenges. Given the potential risks involved, it remains to be seen whether the China Ocean Flower Island project will be able to deliver on its promises. The China Ocean Flower Island project duration. China has undertaken an ambitious engineering project to create an artificial island in the South China Sea. The China Ocean Flower Island project is expected to take 10 years to complete. It will cover an area of nearly 200 square kilometers. The island will be made to fill material dredged from the seafloor. It will feature several artificial features, including an airport, a port, and tourist resorts. Once completed, the island will be home to approximately 1 million people. The project is seen as a way to assert China's sovereignty over the disputed waters of the South China Sea. It has been sharply criticized by other nations in the region. Regardless of its final outcome, the China Ocean Flower Island project is sure to be one of our most fascinating engineering feats. While the Ocean Flower Island project promises to create a massive artificial island on the South China Sea, it has come under fire from environmentalists and other groups. Critics point to several potential problems with the project. First, they say that the island could damage delicate marine ecosystems. Digging up sand and rock to build the island could disturb soft corals and other sea life. Additionally, the construction process could release harmful chemicals into the water. There is also concern that the island could become a breeding ground for invasive species, spreading to other parts of the world. Finally, some experts have raised concerns about the long-term stability of the island itself. They point out that the artificial islands are often built on unstable ocean floors and are at risk of sinking or eroding over time. As a result, they say that the Ocean Flower Island project could end up causing more harm than good. How did you like this video? Share us your thoughts in the comments. We hope this information has given you an insight into China's Ocean Flower Island. If you learned something new today, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Made Well Finder so that we can keep making such fantastic videos for you. Thank you for watching.